Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add the Steam link code. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface and I have already logged into my account. Well, now let's simply look at how to set the Steam link code. At the top left, right next to view, you can see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. And from here, let us directly go to settings, which is almost at the bottom. And guys, this is it. In order to enable the Steam link code, what you guys have to do is simply scroll down till you see the remote play. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is our holy grail. This is what we are looking for. From here, as you can see, you can simply pair the Steam link, unpair devices, and the thing we're looking for, set the pin. Click on it. And as such, set a numeric pin. It can be up to 10 digits. I'm gonna add it right now. This is my demo link code. Once it's okay, simply hit on confirm. That is it guys. That's how you set your Steam link code. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.